I'm on the range today with my Benelli M1, which is a great shotgun. It was worked over by Taryn Butler at Taryn Tactical Innovations. Super reliable gun, really easy shooting. It's one of the favorite guns that I own. Unfortunately, I've been having a problem with this Remington Gun Club target ammo, the Gun Club target load. We've been having a really curious malfunction with this stuff, and one that's actually kind of dangerous. I'll load up my magazine and try and run the plate rack or something like that, and we have this malfunction where it seems like the hull is actually separating from the case head. So the case head is getting pulled out of the shotgun, but the hull is staying in the gun, which, as any shooter knows, could be very dangerous if I'm able to chamber another round behind that hull. So be warned about that. Let us know in the comments if this has happened to you. And what we're gonna do is use that Bullet Theory Films high-speed camera and see if we can replicate the malfunction.
When you're ready, Chris.
There it is. Okay, so basically what we had there was the malfunction that's been happening. The high-speed camera probably caught it, but the shell casing has broken into two pieces. You can see right there, you've got the hull, but the rim is gone. That flew out. So if this weapon was able to cycle right now, and some guns might, as you can see, like as I'm pushing this up, oh, it's practically going into battery right there. Some guns might actually go into battery in this condition. There's an extremely dangerous obstruction in this bore. So be warned, and let me know in the comments if this has happened to any of you. We're gonna have to get a cleaning rod to bust this out. All right, let's go get a cleaning rod and clear this. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this shell out. We can take a look at this thing. All right, that's a bummer. And there it is. 12 gauge shotgun shell, part of it anyway. Very dangerous condition.